Whether you're hauling mountain bikes to the trails, commuting with your road bike, or transporting heavy e-bikes, the right rack makes all the difference. Today, we're breaking down the top 5 bike racks you can grab on Amazon right now. I'll cover weight capacity, ease of installation, security features, and most importantly, what people don't tell you about each one. All the purchase links, they're in the description box below so you can check current prices and availability. Let's dive in. Coming in at number 1, the Thule T2 Pro XTR Hitch bike rack. This beast holds up to 60 pounds per bike, which means your carbon road bike, aluminum mountain bike, or even a lightweight e-bike fits perfectly. The wheel compatibility is where Thule really shines. It handles everything from 20 to 29-inch wheels and tires up to 5 inches wide without needing any adapters. That's fat bike territory, folks. Installation is ridiculously simple with their auto-attach system. No tools needed. Just slide it into your hitch receiver and tighten the built-in knob. The integrated wheels on the rack itself, they're a game changer when you need to move it around your garage. Here's what really sets it apart. The hitch switch lever lets you tilt the entire rack down with your bikes still loaded so you can access your trunk or hatchback. Trust me, after a long ride when you just want to grab your cooler, this feature is worth its weight in gold. Security? Thule includes integrated cable locks for your bikes and a hitch receiver lock, all keyed alike. That's one less key to worry about on your keychain. Now, here's the catch. This rack will run you between $720 and $900 depending on whether you want the 1.25-inch or 2-inch receiver version. It's definitely an investment, but when you factor in Thule's legendary build quality and their reputation for customer service, you're buying something that'll last decades, not just seasons. You can expand it to carry 4 bikes, but that's only possible with the 2-inch receiver version. Check the link in the description for current pricing. At number 2, we've got the Kuat NV 2.0 bike rack. The all-metal construction supports 60 pounds per tray, which puts it right up there with the Thule for handling e-bikes. But Kuat adds something special, the trail dock repair stand built right into the rack. Picture this. You finish a muddy trail ride, and instead of waiting until you get home, you can adjust your derailleur or fix a loose chain right there in the parking lot. It's one of those features you don't think you need until you have it. The pedal pivot is pure genius. Instead of wrestling with pins and levers, you just step on it with your foot to tilt the rack up or down. Even with 2 bikes loaded, you can still access your trunk. The adjustable tire cradles mean your handlebars and seats won't be fighting for space, which is especially helpful if you're mixing bike types. Installation uses Kuat's hand-tight cam system. Seriously, you can tighten everything by hand and it stays rock solid. No rattling, no wobbling, even on rough roads. The integrated cable locks and matching hitch lock provide solid security, and like the Thule, everything uses the same key. But let's talk about the elephant in the room. The NV 2.0 with the trail dock runs between $700 and $900. There's a cheaper base 2.0 version for around $600 to $800 that skips the repair stand but keeps all the other features. Some people also mentioned the rack is slightly heavier at 54 pounds, so getting it on and off requires a bit more muscle than lighter alternatives. If you want premium features and don't mind paying for them, this is your rack. Link is in the description. Number 3 is the Yakima StageTwo bike hitch rack. Here's why this rack stands out. It holds 70 pounds per bike for regular road travel. That's 10 more pounds than most premium racks. Got a 65-pound e-mountain bike? No problem. This rack doesn't even flinch. Even if you're doing some light off-roading, it's still rated for 42 pounds per bike, which covers most standard bikes easily. Wheel compatibility matches the big brands, 16 to 29-inch wheels and tires up to 5 inches wide. But here's where Yakima gets creative. They offer an optional ramp-up loading ramp for about $99. If you're regularly loading 60 to 70-pound e-bikes, that ramp saves your back and makes the whole process smooth. The 3-position tilt is practical. Tilted down to access your trunk with bikes loaded, folded flat when you're not using it. The integrated SKS locks handle both bike security and the hitch receiver, and Yakima's speed knob installation takes about 30 seconds without tools. Now, the downside. At roughly $580 to $700, it's slightly less expensive than the Thule or Kuat, but you're giving up some of those premium touches. The tray adjustment isn't quite as smooth, and while it's built tough, it doesn't have that same refined feel of the more expensive options. Also, that 70-pound weight capacity drops significantly if you take it off-road, which is worth noting for adventure riders. If you've invested in quality e-bikes and need the capacity to match, check this one out. Link is in the description. Coming in at number 4 is the Saris Bones EX Bike Rack. This trunk-mounted rack carries up to 3 bikes at 35 pounds each. Now, that won't work for heavy e-bikes, but for standard road bikes, hybrids, or mountain bikes under 35 pounds, it's perfect. The real magic is how well it fits. Saris claims it works with 90% of top-selling vehicles, including cars with spoilers. The arc-based design with those distinctive dog legs isn't just for looks. It actually separates your bikes on different levels, reducing the chance of scratches and damage. At only 11 pounds, you can easily throw this in your trunk when you're not using it, unlike those 50-pound hitch racks. Installation takes maybe 5 minutes once you've done it a couple of times. The ratcheting anti-sway straps keep everything stable, and Saris includes integrated caps to hide excess strap length, so you're not dealing with flapping nylon on the highway. The catch is it's a trunk rack. You'll be removing it more often than a hitch rack, and there's more contact with your vehicle's paint. Protective padding is included, but some people still worry about scratches over time. Also, loading bikes is slightly less convenient since you're lifting them higher without the benefit of a low platform. At around $220 to $300, this is the most affordable option on our list, by far. If you're a casual rider or want something portable, the Bones EX delivers serious value. Check the link below. Rounding out our list at number 5 is the RockyMounts MonoRail bike rack. This Colorado-made rack handles 60 pounds per bike, fitting wheels from 20 to 29 inches and tires up to 5 inches wide. The wheelbase range goes from 34 to 49 inches, which covers everything from kids' bikes to long-travel mountain bikes. That versatility alone makes it worth considering. The tray design keeps your bikes low to the ground for easy loading, and there's no frame contact, which is essential for protecting carbon frames and unique geometries. The rack tilts down 30 degrees so you can access your hatch without unloading, and the side-to-side tray adjustment gives you 2 inches of movement to prevent bike interference. RockyMounts includes cable locks for your bikes and a locking hitch pin, all using the same key. The build quality feels solid. This isn't some lightweight plastic situation. It's made in the USA, and their customer service reputation is excellent. Here's what makes this the value pick. It delivers about 80% of what the Thule or Kuat offers at roughly 50 to 60% of the price. You're looking at around $400 to $480. The trade-off? The tilt mechanism isn't quite as smooth, and the overall finish, while good, doesn't have that showroom polish of the more expensive options. Some users also note the rack can be slightly tricky to get perfectly level on certain vehicles. If you want a dependable hitch rack that won't destroy your budget but still handles serious bikes, the MonoRail is tough to beat. Link is in the description. That's your complete breakdown of the 5 best bike racks you can buy right now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.